Pumpkin spice so nice. Autumn breeze feels right. Cozy mugs and nights, sipping pure tea delight.
Hello friends, I am so excited to decorate my house for fall. I'm in my brand new house, yeah! So I don't even know how to decorate it. Like, I have all these decorations that I've decorated my old house with year after year. It was set, and now I have like this new, what's it called, the thing you paint on? Canvas. I have this brand new canvas and I don't know what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna bring you guys along with me. Let's go grab my totes and see what we're working with. Okay, I think what I'm most excited for right now is lighting a fall candle. I peeked in one of my totes the other day and it smelled like pumpkin spice. Don't let the red and green fool you, this is fall. Okay, so it turned out my red and green tote is Halloween costume, so I don't need that right now. But I can already smell my pumpkin spice candle. I think it's right here. Let's light it up. So this is from last year. I actually didn't use it all last year, so I saved it so I can light it up this year. Okay, I need to see what I'm working with. So I'm gonna clear the spring off this table and just fill it up with all my decor, and then I can start putting it places. Okay, so you know what's crazy is I thought I had more. Like, do I have more? I do have more because I'm missing some coffee mugs. Don't worry guys, I found the missing tote. It was buried, it was very challenging. I worked up a sweat, but I gotta do it for the fall. Gotta do it for the fall. Okay, let's look. My leaf and my pumpkin cutting boards that I don't actually cut with, they're just decor. Okay. Oh, look. I had to use the floor to really spread things out. This is definitely more organized now, and it's gonna be way easier to decide what to decorate where. And you know I'm about to put this phone case on. I feel like this area right here has a lot of potential. I think I'm gonna use the leaves that I used in my coffee bar last year, and I'm gonna put them up there. They're very fluffy and they're very full and they're gonna look really good.
Sense of nutmeg in the air. He's got that pumpkin spice and folks are gathering there. There's Sarah with her sweater, knitted by her mom. She's sipping on that warmth, eyes aglow with thought. Bobby's bringing biscuits from his grandma's sacred recipe. They dunk them in that golden brew. Taste is wild and free. Pumpkin spice, oh pumpkin spice, the autumn soul's delight.
So I definitely think my pumpkin here, so cute. I want to use this because it has leaves that match the leaves that I put up higher. So let's see here. Okay. It needs more. I wish I had more of those leaves, but I'm really trying not to buy anything new this year. So let's see what we can do with what we have. I am so sad that the lighting is like not the best right now, but it's okay. Once we get our final results, I'll add some nighttime clips so you can really appreciate the work we've put in. Okay, so I brought some pumpkins. I don't know. Let's see if I move this back. It's like, won't move, what the heck? There we go. If I add that there, I could put a pumpkin here, and then I brought a smaller pumpkin to put here. Hate it! Okay, let me think. It needs to be big, something big. Okay, I just had an idea. Look at this. So freaking cute, right? What if this fits in here? Oh my God, it does! And it doesn't fit all the way, which is honestly exactly what I want. Okay. Oh my God. Yes! I feel like that's it. Like, it still needs one more thing, but like that was really freaking cute. So I got this and I thrifted it. I haven't really used it before, but I'm gonna take my straws that I didn't have a place for and put them in here. I love when my creative ideas like kind of turn out. I like to put my coffee beans in this. So cute, got it from Michael's. I cleaned it last year, so I'm trusting myself.
Golden light above the trees. Cool breeze whispers my name. Fall is here to feel these. Pumpkin spice and apple pie. Warm sweaters hug me tight. Clouds are drifting in the sky. Every color feels just right. Autumn whispers in the air. Everywhere the magic's found. Feel the seasons' love and care. Nature's beauty all around. Crunch of leaves beneath our feet. Walking in this autumn dream. Time slows down, oh what a treat. Life is better.
All right, let's move to my living room. I really have no plan whatsoever. I'm just gonna start grabbing pieces and see where I can make it fit. First thing I want to do is add my pillowcase and my throw blanket to the couch, just to give it that pop of fall.
Pumpkin spice so nice. Autumn breeze feels right. Cozy mugs tonight. Sipping pure delight. Pumpkin spice the craze. Leaves full nights ablaze. Taste it every day. Sweater weather stays. Warm and sweet are new. Oranges in the view. Flavors blend so true. Nothing else will do. Pumpkin spice so nice. Autumn breeze feels right. Cozy mugs tonight. Sipping pure delight. Sipping pure delight. Pumpkin spice the night.
Okay, I feel like I'm getting closer here, but it doesn't quite feel right. I like this side right here. That's cute, but that just feels not right. I think it's that wicker pumpkin thing. I'm gonna trade it out. Okay, so I'm gonna hang this garland here, and the thing that I really think is cool about it is it comes with like spray, and you spray it and then it smells good. So it doesn't really smell because it's been a year since I sprayed it. I'm just gonna spray a couple light sprays. I've always wanted stairs so that I could wrap garland around it. I just never thought I'd be wrapping fall balls, garland balls around it, but let's do it. Tell me why I'm confused right now. I'm like, am I spacing them correctly? I don't know. I'm just gonna finish. I'll find out. Okay, so I think my spacing definitely changed halfway through, but that's okay. It's cute, it's cute, it's cute. The last like big main area that I wanna decorate is the dining room. First thing I'm gonna do is put, I think it's a round tablecloth on top of this rectangular table. I hope it looks cute because this will really be a nice pop of fall. I'm here for it. Let me just make sure it's even everywhere. Tuck the tag. Looks good over there. My goodness. We're gonna go with a no here. So this is not working, but I found some just not necessarily fall stuff, but I think I could like style it to be cute. So let's just give myself a clean slate. All right, so I found this jar. It's so cute. I thrifted it. And I had these acorn things that I wasn't gonna use, but I think I need something tall, so. Okay. Okay, that's cute. I feel like that helps. And And then these books, they're like vintage books. You would think I thrifted them, but I didn't. They came from like a Marshall's, TJ Maxx, Home Goods, you know. Okay, so maybe if I put that candle there, I really like this one. This is actually a candle too. And then maybe let me get some of my pine cones. I don't know, let me look. Does this kill the vibe? I almost feel like it doesn't. There we go. Okay, okay. I'm here for it. So now we have this like gas fireplace area. I haven't done much to the area in general. So I'm excited to get some decor up there. I know I said no Halloween decor, but this little ghost garland is so cute and it has pumpkins and I'm just gonna use it. I'm getting to the point where I feel like I'm running out of fall decor, which is a great feeling because that table was full before and it's like, okay, so I really do use it all. Love that. But that means that this little mantle area, I don't know, it just might not look complete, but that's okay. You know what, I think that's good. It's not like an amazing setup, but it's using like the bits, the odds and ends of the rest of my decor. I love these. I got these from World Market. I'm thinking maybe I can put one on each side. Super cute, so let's do that. Don't try this at home, kids.
Crunch of the ground as I walk this lane, leaves like confetti, golden rain. Sweater snug, scarf tight, tight, the air is crisp, the sun's just right. Golden leaves, golden skies, a blaze of color before it dies. Catch the wind, let it
So the last thing I want to do today is put together a boo basket for my sister. I've been collecting this stuff for like the past month. This is a pack of socks. I got it off Amazon. I'm definitely going to be taking one of these pairs. And then I got these little pumpkin candles from Hobbs. My mom actually got her a wax warmer, and so I got her pumpkin wax melts to go with it. And then I got her these Baby Lips lip balm. This loofah, which is so cool because it has little pieces of sponge in it. It's supposed to help lather, extra lathery. A 4-pack of fall napkins because so cute, so versatile. You can do so much with it. Also Hobbs. This I got from Walmart. This is a basket I'm going to try to fit it in. I've actually had this for a while. Thrifted. And then the main piece is this nice wood cutting board. I got this from Amazon on Prime Day. Obviously, this isn't going to fit. I don't think so. But like, you know, I'll just have it like displayed like this or something. I don't know. So I do intend to open up these socks. These socks are so cute. I also got these on Amazon. I can't remember if I said that. I got all this stuff on Prime Day in July. Let's see, I've been planning for a while. Okay, so cute. Let me lay them out and then I'll show them to you guys. Okay, so this is everything, but here's the socks. A little squirrel, some stripes, some trees, and I don't know what that thing is, maybe an acorn? Actual acorns, and then just a pattern. So cute. Oh, I think the ones I'm gonna take are these striped ones. When she sees this, she's gonna be so sad. All right, let's get it all in the basket. I don't know how I'm planning on folding these socks. I'm just winging it, so maybe something like this is cute. I'm starting to feel guilty about possibly taking the striped socks. Maybe I won't. Maybe I'll just give her all the socks, be a good gift giver, and not take the best pair for myself. Okay, so fall napkins, I think, in the back. Sorry, guys, I'm gonna have to do this backwards and then I'll show you. And then I think I'll just stuff the socks. I'll stuff the loofah here too before I get too carried away with the socks. Let's see here. Okay, okay. It's cute, it's cute. All right. So here it is. All right, let me set it all up. Let me set it up with the pumpkin, like how I'm visualizing giving it to her. All right, so this is how I'll have it all laid out. I think it's pretty cute. Thanks for hanging out with me while I cozied up my space for fall. Be sure to subscribe if you want more because there's gonna be more autumn goodness coming your way. And as we get closer to October, you know I'm gonna have to do a Halloween video. You guys are amazing and I hope you have a really, really good day and a great fall season too.